Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge an RC helicopter. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have a remote controlled helicopter, there are usually two different ways to charge it. The first way involves using a power source. So in this specific helicopter right here came with this cord. Now this cord has an end that is a USB end over here, and it plugs into a USB power brick right here. So I have this other one that I use to charge other devices. So I plug the USB into here, and then I plug the USB power source into a power outlet, either in the wall, or in this case I'm just using an extension cord that's connected to the wall outlet. And then if you look on the helicopter, there's probably going to be a point where it shows you that you can plug in to charge it. So in this case it's over here, and obviously make sure that both ends match up. So this is the input right here, and this is the output. We're going to plug them into each other, and as you can see, that light over there is letting me know that I'm charging the helicopter. Okay, when the helicopter is fully charged, this light will turn off. Now, not every single helicopter will have this light, but generally speaking, there's going to be some sort of indicator either on the helicopter itself or on the charging cord that's going to let you know that it's charging. So that's the first way. Okay, I'm going to unplug it and show you the second way. So if you look on your remote control, most remote controls are going to be powered by batteries. Some of the more advanced, higher end ones will allow you to recharge them. But most of the remote controls that I've encountered in my mini RC helicopter flying career, obviously not a real career, but like for fun, have had a battery compartment that allows you to put batteries in. And what you can do is you can actually charge your RC helicopter on the go. So let's say you're flying it out in a field area or somewhere inside of a building where there's no power outlet, and you want to charge up your RC helicopter. You can actually use the battery power from within the remote to charge the RC helicopter. As you can see right here, this actually is it comes directly from the rear of the remote, you can see, and I can just plug it directly into the RC helicopter like this, just like that, and I can charge up the helicopter like that. Okay, it's actually very, very simple and very, very easy to do. It's really, really simple and straightforward. You can just plug it in like that. Okay, so that is basically it. Now you got to check your owner's manual because there might be additional instructions for your RC helicopter. Maybe you have to turn it on to charge it. It all depends. There are different things that determine how it works. So like I said, check your owner's manual, but these are the two methods that are usually very common with the majority of RC helicopters that you encounter, whether it's a 2-channel one or a 3-channel one. They usually work in a very, very similar way with regards to charging. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.